We'll guide you through how to deploy your project on Vercel web hosting. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website at vercel.com and log in with your account or sign up if you don't have one yet. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Vercel dashboard. Here, you want to click on the New Project button. This will prompt you to connect your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account, so make sure you've already pushed your project to one of these platforms. After connecting your repository, Vercel will automatically detect the framework you're using and suggest the optimal build settings. Make sure these settings match your project's requirements, and if everything looks good, click on Deploy at the bottom. Vercel will then begin the deployment process, and you can watch the build logs in real time to ensure everything is running smoothly. Once the deployment is complete, you'll see a congratulations message, and your project will be live. You can click on the provided URL to view your deployed site. If you need to make changes, simply push updates to your repository, and Vercel will automatically redeploy the site with the new changes. Remember, Vercel also offers features like custom domains, analytics, and performance monitoring, which you can explore further in the dashboard. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.